We are in Oxfam Farm, and yeah, we just put some meat. Absolutely lovely. Now I'm going to show you some lambs. Lovely lambs. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, my darling ones. Hello, my little one. Where's your lambs? Where did you put your lambs? Oh, maybe they're hungry. What's wrong? What's wrong? Hello, my little ones. Hello, no lambs here. Oh, are you pregnant? Are you pregnant? Are you pregnant? Are you hungry? They might be hungry. I wonder what's upsetting them. I wonder what's upsetting them. Maybe they're feeding them.
Yeah.
Oh, look how many there. Oh, they're lovely. Hello. What's wrong? What's wrong with them? What's wrong? Oh, they're not happy then. What's happening?
Don't know, really.
Maybe they're looking for the lambs. Maybe they're taking the lambs away. Oh dear, they're not very happy. I don't know what's happening here. Is that you want your lambs? Or you're pregnant? I think they're pregnant. Not sure. Let's go have a look at the cow. I wonder if they're more quiet. They're not happy.
Oh, the cows are there.
Come on then. Yeah, let's come in. Hello. 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 Oh. They haven't got much room to move. Hello. Oh, they're the little calves. Are you little calf? Are you getting bigger now? Are you getting bigger now? Are you? Hello. Oh, no, look at the strip. Look at that. Hello. Oh. Have you got a little one? Have you got your mum and daddy with you? Hello. Have you got your mum and daddy with you? Hello, my baby. Hello. Yeah, look, they're all in there. Yeah. But they've got enough room to move.
Well, they have me. They've been doing it for years.
No, like this.
They'll bring Tony down here. He'll tell
Tell me.
You already tell me.
Right. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, hello. What's the matter? Oh gosh, it's big. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, little one. Oh, the two calves. I think it's a mama with a calf. Oh, it's a mama with a calf. Are they your calf? Are they your calf?